The 100-day celebrations of the Delhi AAP government have been overshadowed by the power tussle between Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. Sonal Mehrotra reports on how that tussle is now set to escalate.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल
67 out of 70 seats. The massive mandate followed by enormous burden of expectations from the Aam Aadmi Party. But the party's core promises of full statehood for Delhi and rooting out corruption are at stake as it fights a bitter turf war with the centre. The Aam Aadmi Party government has called an emergency session of the Assembly on Tuesday after the Home Ministry notification declared Delhi's Lieutenant Governor as the administrative head of the capital, resting with him the right to suspend and appoint officers.
मतलब हमें एक तरह से इन्होंने बुलडोज करने की कोशिश की है, तो विल गो टू अनदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वहाँ बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं, अपनी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं. अब देखो, अब सारी चीजें विधानसभा में जाएंगी, विधानसभा तय करेगी.
As AAP marks 100 days in power, it plans to return to the people, with the Jan Sabha in the heart of Delhi on Monday, where the full cabinet will list achievements. So far, delivering on promise of up to 20,000 litres of free water for every household, providing subsidised power up to 400 units within 10 days of assuming office, reviving the anti-corruption helpline 1031, which received close to 1.25 lakh complaints, starting process of regularising unauthorised colonies, setting up a Delhi Dialogue Commission to implement its 70-point development agenda, and taking its first step towards its promised participative governance, asking citizens how to spend Delhi's budget. But the 100 days have also been marked with more than its fair share of controversies. The turf war with the centre, the Lieutenant Governor and the civic bodies controlled by the BJP. The expulsion of the founder members like Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, which gave Arvind Kejriwal the image of a leader who would brook no dissidence, to issuing a circular asking government departments to sue the media for defamatory reports about Arvind Kejriwal or the Delhi government, a move stayed by the Supreme Court. Even a high-profile agitation against the centre's land bill boomeranged on the Aam Aadmi Party as the farmer chose to kill himself in full public view. AAP now is preparing to make use of its mandate in the Delhi Assembly and pass a bill to dismiss the Home Ministry's notification. AAP sources also indicate a referendum on full statehood is also on the cards if the centre refuses to change its stand on the issue. In New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.